How you doing? We are having a little bit of changes going on. So for this new live streaming and the coming live streamings, we are changing it up a bit. So if you are receiving an email that looks a bit like this, there might be just a link directly to watch it live on YouTube. So that means that once you click that link, the event will start in 7 days, and you can already start to chat with other members and in preparation for the event. That will be a little change. There will be the same type of structure as before, except for the free events. So this is a free event which goes out to everyone. So we're opening up the doors a little bit for everyone to see Tina channeling. And normally we will send out this to everyone and they have to sign up. And then for all the premium subscribers, they will get the direct link to the event. So I hope that helps. This means that you can now view it on your mobile device. You don't have to be tied down to your laptop. So you can watch it directly. So if you open up in your mobile and you click on this link and you open it up in YouTube, you will be able to watch the live streaming there and also chat there as well. All you have to do to be part of the live streaming for free is to join our newsletter. So just type in your email here and subscribe. Or if you want, you can also go to the first page where there is a subscription here. So if you type in your email address here, click OK. With that, you will also receive a 20 minutes free MP3 from Tina channeling as a gift for that transaction. And every time we have a free event, you will also be notified. And other perks that we might figure out. So thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.